to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Welcome back if you know me already. If not, then hi, and maybe think about subscribing to my channel if you enjoy this video. Anyway, today's video is going to be a bit of a review. I had a bit of money given to me for my anniversary from my parents and my husband's parents, so I decided to buy myself one of these because what this does, I really hate. It's my pet hate. It's like my kryptonite. I absolutely hate it. So I decided to buy myself one of these and see if it's easier to use and more fun. So anyway, I bought it from the Home Shopping channel. It was $39.99. Can't remember how much the postage was, but it was reduced. And they're also doing, if you buy it online, you don't have to pay for it for 30 days. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. So this is what I bought. Ta-da! Now, I watched it demonstrated on the channel, right, and I thought, oh my god, this is just so amazing, because I absolutely detest ironing, and I thought this actually looks quite fun, very quick, very easy. Being a family of 5, the ironing just goes on and on and on. And if you've got children, you probably have the same problem I have. I give them a little pile of iron clothes. They don't hang them up. What they do is they just dump it in their bedroom, or they dump it at the bottom of their wardrobe, or they do hang it up and then they go to get something out and knock it all flying, and it ends up all over the bottom of the wardrobe anyway. And I think, oh my gosh, you spent flipping hours doing that, and there you have creased it all up again. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I hate it. Anyway, so I thought I'm gonna have one of them. We'll try it out. I'm gonna show you hopefully how it works. Hopefully it's as good as what they show you on the channel. Let's give it a go. Show you what I've got in my box. Right, anyway, it says a quick guide, quick start guide. Okay, right, and then I have the instructions. Right, now inside this I have, this is the ironing mat thing, mat thing. Okay, now this hangs on the door, okay, and you iron on that, okay. Right, do have some poles. Aha, they go along the top. Right, so you put your poles together. Alright, and I'm going to stick them in the hole. That sounds really good, doesn't it? I think it goes in there. No, right, I'm going. I don't think it does. Right, anyway, that's that bit. Right, it's all fluffy and all nice. And then this bit is the pierce resistance, the thing that I can't get out. Oh bugger. Oh. What's this bit? Oh, there's a funny nozzly bit that looks like a, you know, like a fencing mask. That's what it looks like. Hold on, I think that's it in the box. Yeah, right, let's get the box out of the way. Right, and then I've got this contraption. Right. Oh look. Take that ironing. I'm going to fix that up onto the door, okay, and I will get back to you in a sec. That rod thing runs through what I said, this bit here along the top, and then they reckon that you use these bits, these loopy things, they hang over the corners of the door, okay. Well, now I am very short, okay, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'm going to have to stand on something because there's no one here to help me. And oh my god, and then you hang it over the door. That's what they reckon. I can't see. That's what they reckon. Okay, that's what they reckon you do. I can't. That's weird. How's that gonna work? Hands over the corners. Ah! I got it. I got it, I think. Hold on. I've got to move my stool because I'm only 5'3" and I don't reach nothing. Alright, I think this is what you do. Like this. Okay. This one seems to be a bit different from the other one. It does say you can fix it over any door. It feels quite secure. Right. Right, and then that's your fluffy ironing board bit. Alright? Okay. Next. Then we have to fill, this is the water tank like a normal iron. You put the water in this. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm a little bit concerned that the plug is not going to reach my plug's not going to reach far enough to reach the iron thing, but we shall think about that in a minute. Right, filled it with water. It has like a little bung thing there. Right, you pull that out, and then it has writing on it, says max, and you fill the water up to the max, right? And then we get the iron thing and we stick its thing back on. All right. Right, next we have to plug it in. Hands up. I'm going to start with an easy garment, right? So I've got the just normal t-shirt. They say that you can go over the rubbery bits, so I'm going to try that. Now it's time. I've got to press this little button at the back, right? And it's flashing. Okay. The light will flash whilst the unit is getting up to temperature. Okay. It takes approximately 45 seconds to reach temperature, and then the unit is ready to use. Okay, right, also if the steamer's not being used, right, it automatically goes on standby after 15 minutes, or I can see it smoking. Ooh, don't forget to take your label off the front because I nearly didn't do that. Right, it's still flashing. It is. I'm taking it that it stops. Ah, it stops flashing. It stops flashing, and then we got this little bit on here that's got a lock. I don't know if you could see. It's got a lock mark and a normal mark, right? So I'm going for it. It goes. Can you see? I don't know if I'm doing it right. It looks fine. Right, it's started steaming a little bit better now. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. Oh, it's good. It seems to be. I can see the creases going. On the bottom. So I thought I'd start with something simple. Can you all see? You can do it on any door. Well, I'm quite pleased with it. Right, obviously I say that's quite a simple garment. This bit I'm not sure how to do. Like that. Oh yeah, that's working fine. Yeah, that's that one done. Oh, excuse me a sec. I'm gonna go over this side. Let's have a look at the back, because it's supposed to do the back and the front together, okay? Don't know about that. The back still looks a bit creased to me, but I say I am still learning. Could be doing something wrong now, my luck. I don't think so. We're going to do the back, because I don't think the back's particularly I think you're supposed to have done the back and the front, but we should try. We should do the. Oh, and obviously, like most things, the more you use it, the better you're going to get it. That's iron better than the front. Obviously, perhaps it's because it's got a bit hotter, maybe, but the back's definitely ironed, or definitely steamed, ironed, whatever you want to say, better or quicker than the front. That's done. And then we do and that's pretty damn quick. That's done. I'm quite happy with that. Again, as you've ironed it on, done it on, obviously on in a coat hanger, they can just go and put it straight in their wardrobe. It's done. So done. Look. Quite impressed. Now I'm going to do something a bit more complicated. See if I can do a shirt and see if that comes up as nice as the t-shirt did. Right, next, as you can see, I'll have one of my husband's shirts. The only thing I would say is the mat isn't really big enough for the shirt, but you know, you do one section. We're going to give it a go. Let's see how this goes. Ready? And I can see the creases falling out, and it's definitely quicker and easier than the iron. And shirts is one thing I really hate. Like most people, I suppose there's some people that like ironing. Is there anybody out there like ironing? Because I know I'm definitely not one of them. Oh, see, yeah, that's quite good. I'm quite impressed. I'm going to go and do the other side, and then we'll do the awkward bit. Okay. Right, another thing I say is run out of water, so you are going to have to fill it up quite often. That's a bit of a pain in the arse, but as you can see, it has done a pretty good job. But with a normal iron, obviously you can do more stuff without keep filling up the water. It has got quite a small tank on it, so you are going to be backwards and forwards from the sink, but I found it a bit more enjoyable. Very quick, very simple, not a bad little gadget. And I have ironed the shirt without too much aggro. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to say goodbye. Bye, 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 bye.